This CAPCUT AI feature will save you tons of time when creating or repurposing your long form video into short form videos for YouTube Shorts and other social media. Are you looking for one tool that can create short videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Facebook and Instagram Reel or long form videos? Then look no more, because in this video I will show you CAPCUT AI feature that can create YouTube Shorts, TikTok video and Facebook and Instagram Reel from long form videos in just one click. So stick around and watch this video till the very end, and please subscribe to my channel to support me reach 1K subscribers. Thank you very much for your support. Then let's go. The first step is to download CAPCUT PC. I already have it here on my laptop. Then open it, then click on AI clip short, then click on this plus sign here to import the long video that you want to repurpose or to recreate into YouTube Shorts, TikTok video, Facebook and Instagram Reel, or you can drag and drop the video file. I will click here and select the long video I downloaded here, then click open. Now you can set how long you want the short video to be. You can set the short video duration to be less than 60 seconds or 60 to 90 seconds or 90 seconds to 3 minutes, or you can leave it in any duration. But you know that YouTube Short is 1 minute at max, so I will select less than 60 seconds, then click on get shorts. Now it is uploading and converting the long form video into short video that you can upload on YouTube as a short, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram as a short videos. This usually takes some minutes depending on the size of the video files that you want to convert. As you can see, it's analyzing the video file. Once the process has completed, this is what we got.
Could IP token be the next 100th coin? That is, if you buy the token with $100 now, could it give you $10,000 in a few months? This crypto is risky. There is no guarantee that coins launched in this platform will do well or that Tencent token will continue to perform exceedingly well. Understand this risk involved before buying, and do not invest with money you cannot afford to lose. Again, crypto is risky.
And you can upload this video as a short on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram Reels. The amazing thing about this CAPCUT AI feature is that it even titles the videos based on what you said on the video, and you can change the caption style here. But if you are okay with it this way, then click on export to export each of the video to your computer, or you can upload direct to YouTube or TikTok. This CAPCUT AI is amazing, guys, and if you agree with me that CAPCUT is the best free AI video editing tool, subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching, guys.